Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is SG,
And my name is TK.
and today we'll be showing off our prototype design and how it works.
As you can see from this design, an all new sleek design that doesn't stray away from the coffee look, and with more immersive colors, and that just makes it feel more like an app instead of a toy or just another plain application.
This app is the next big thing. It can change everything about how you shop for coffee. You thought you love coffee. Wait until you try out this prototype. Link in description. Let's start with the login page. The login page enables you to log in using GitHub or your Google account. Who doesn't have Google account in this time of age?
Exactly my point. Who doesn't have a Google account at this time of age? Because Google is the standard in today's age.
But if you don't have any of those, you can always create your own account with us on the register page. Everyone is welcome to join the family. It just takes one click.
The same as it just takes one click to hit the subscribe button. Just hit the subscribe button, support the channel, support us, support what we are doing. As my colleague said, it just takes one click.
After registering, you will be taken to our order page where you can pick different types of coffee. For example, let's say you are in the mood for some latte. It will take you to our preview page where you can see the prices and you can even select the amount of sugar and the size of the cup you want. And then click order now. You'll be taken to our confirmation page where you can verify your details, check the total price, select delivery, select your payment method, and place your order. That's all it takes. Your coffee will be at your doorstep.
And that's all it literally takes. Just a few clicks with a slick design, nice colors, immersive view. This coffee shop or app UI design is new, slick, and will blow your mind. So as you can see from our configuration screen, after you've ordered coffee, if you're in the mood to order more coffee, you have the option to do so. So a few more touch-ups have been added to this UI design. As you can see, all the categories on top are interactive. We have a search bar which you can search for any type of drink you want. Our back button works as intended. We have our receipt page where you can check recent purchases of coffee orders. If you have not made an order yet, there's an option to start ordering. You can check what orders you have inside your cart. Then we have the options to check your details under the account tab on the bottom right, which will contain your name and surname, profile pictures. You can add coffees to your favorite. You can select a type of currency you wanna use. So we're gonna have our coffee currency. You can change and modify your settings. You can do contact support. We're gonna have free subscriptions for discounts. You can edit and modify your details under here. You can change your privacy settings if you feel as if the app is using too much resources from your PC. And as you can see from the background, we have a lot that's going on. On your left, as you can see, there's a lot of tabs, a lot of pages, a lot of frames. As you can see, all these interactions, all the interactions you see that makes this UI or program interactive is done on the prototype tab on the top right of our preview. As you can see, all our icons and arrows and rectangles and blocks and different types of shapes have different types of elements that take you to a certain page, which makes our prototype or UI design or application more immersive, more dynamic, So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Show us some support. Leave a comment if you haven't. Ring the bell. And we'll see you in the next video.